Children, in this one more question where we have to do a proving, it says if a is equal to c raised to the power z, this is z over here in the power part, and b is equal to a raised to the power x, and c is equal to b raised to the power y, then we have to prove that x into y into z is equal to 1. That is the product of the powers that are present in these equations. Their product is equal to 1. So we have to prove this particular part. Now, since it is given that c is equal to b raised to the power y, and we already know the value of b, that is given over here as b is equal to a raised to the power x. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute this value of b, which is given as a raised to the power x, in this first equation. So now this first equation will become c is equal to, instead of b, I'll write a to the power x, because the value of b, it is given as a raised to the power x. And outside that, because b was raised to the power y, so in place of b, when you have substituted the value a raised to the power x, then this whole exponential form will be applied by the other power y. Now the equation will become c is equal to a raised to the power xy. Now since we already know that another equation that is given, which is having a is equal to c raised to the power z, so in place of a, if we are going to substitute the value of a as c raised to the power z, the equation will become c is equal to c to the power z. And because a was already having a power xy, so c raised to the power z will be also applied with the same power xy. Now again, the equation will become, on the multiplication of these two powers, one which is applied on c and one which is applied on this exponential form, that is xy, it will be c is equal to c raised to the power x into y into z. Now as you know, children, that if the power on any term is not given, then the power is always 1. So that means this c is also having the power 1 over here. And because there's an equal to sign, that means that this exponential form is equal to this exponential form, means the power that is present over here is equal to the power that is present over here. So the power over here is x into y into z, and the power over here is 1. So therefore, because there is an equality given between these two exponential form, therefore the powers will be also equal. So finally we can write x into y into z is equal to 1, and in this way we can prove the content that is given to us.